Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin in Gmail settings. Click the gear, choose See All settings, then Filters and Blocked Addresses. Once done, click Create New Filter. This is the first action that actually builds automation. Enter a sender, subject keyword, or phrase under has the words. Use specific text for accuracy. Vague terms catch unrelated mail. You do this now to save time later. Filters run automatically, so a small upfront investment yields consistent organization and fewer interruptions while you work. Next, focus on precision. Enter the criteria that define the group you want to catch. From for senders, subject for topics, has the words for phrases, and size or has attachment when relevant. Once done, click Search to preview matches so you avoid accidental catches. Make sure to use quotes for exact phrases, a minus sign to exclude terms, or for alternates. These operators prevent overbroad filters. You refine now, so actions later affect only the messages you intend. Finally, pick the action or actions that achieve your goal. Skip the inbox to archive, apply label for visual folders, forward to another address, or delete if unwanted. Make sure to check Also Apply to matching conversations so past emails are handled too. Once you click Create Filter, it runs automatically. If it doesn't seem to work, check the criteria for typos, confirm the label isn't hidden in a map, and inspect spam or existing rules that might override the new filter. This single check.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.